Why pros swear by the Urth 127mm UV filter? And what you're missing without it. Ever stare at your latest shot and think, why does this still look kinda meh? You nailed the exposure, your gear cost a fortune, yet somehow, haze creeps in and your images lack punch. You're not crazy, your lens might be the weak link. Dust, scratches, UV haze, and unwanted blue cast love crashing your creative party. And let's not even talk about that time your lens hit concrete, rest in peace glass. If you're tired of trusting your work to invisible threats and cheap filters that mess with clarity, welcome to the club. We've all been burned. But it doesn't have to be this way. Let's get brutally honest, missing deadlines because your photos aren't client-ready hurts. You tweak, re-edit, retouch, all to fix what your lens should have prevented in the first place. You're not just losing hours, you're losing trust, gigs, and confidence. And if you're out in the field, you don't have the luxury of Photoshop and prayer. Burnout's real. The stress of reshoots? Even more real. And what's worse, realizing you could have saved it all with a simple filter upgrade. Cheap gear ends up being hella expensive. No more playing roulette with your camera lens, your reputation, or your time. Meet the Urth 127mm UV lens filter, aka your camera's new ride or die. Engineered with German shot glass, armed with 30 layers of nano coating, and ready to cut 99.6% of UV haze, this is the no-nonsense, pro-grade armor your lens deserves. Whether you're shooting mountaintops or Manhattan streets, it keeps dust, oil, scratches, and color distortion out of your way. It's ultra-slim, wide-angle friendly, and built to protect your shots and your wallet. One drop with the Urth on? You're replacing a filter, not your $1,000 lens. That's what we call a smart flex. Sharper photos, truer colors, zero blue haze, that's not hype, that's how this filter actually performs. Plus, every purchase plants 5 trees, so you're not just protecting your gear, you're giving back to the planet. You'll love the high transmittance clarity, the lifetime guarantee, and the filter's slick no-slip grip. Add in the included travel case and cleaning cloth? Chef's kiss. Still skeptical? Don't take our word, pros around the world swear by it. This isn't a nice to have. It's a non-negotiable. Hit that link and dive into the specs. You'll see what we mean. Don't scroll past this and regret it later. Stock's limited, and trust us, once you shoot with Urth, there's no going back. Join thousands of creators who've already leveled up. Whether you're chasing storms or shooting studio portraits, the Urth UV filter is your all-weather, pro-grade wingman. Protect your lens, sharpen your shots, and plant some trees while you're at it. Ready to stop wasting time and start capturing magic? Smash that buy button like it just insulted your favorite lens. Your photography deserves this. Act now or keep living in haze.